So there's so there's like a big storm there. So like should I like just storm chase? I don't know how to say it. Like said I just like take the time and like make a video of going into it. I don't know how to say it, but like should I like go into the storm and risk my life for content? Tell me what you think I should do. And then tell me what you think I should do in the comments. Oh my god, I can't talk to